What's up YouTube, this is Beginner's Edge and this is my RE1100 Nightingale Reborn custom painted. So moving back, here we go. This is the whole monster of a kit. So as you can see, I'm not on my usual space. This is actually our dining table, and I'll give you a 360 look before I give you my review on this kit. So let's turn around, see that huge butt there, the wings. This is actually my first char unit or mobile suit, and this is my second custom painted kit. So I decided to went for this kit because of the size, but the build itself, number one, the build of this kit is very easy, or I mean easy to the point that there's no, as you can see, no inner frame. There you go. So I decided to paint it white. Originally it is supposed to be red, just like at the box art at the back. I did change the placing of the stickers or the markings, and this comes with three main accessories. Number one is the beam axe / sword, the humongous shield over here, and the big beam rifle. It would stand from the floor all the way up. That's the accessories for this kit. Now, first and foremost, I don't think you are gonna buy this kit in because of articulation, because this kit doesn't move a lot. It is sturdy in a way that each part is sturdy. Like for example, the arms, once you snap it on, it's gonna be hard for you to pull it out. Same with the legs and everything. But if you start moving it around, the connection from the arms or maybe the legs would pop off and stuff like that. So it's still not as sturdy overall, but for each parts, like the arms, legs, all these parts, very sturdy. One thing I can advise everybody getting this kit is, if you're gonna get this kit, you need to have a big space. Right now I'm actually currently looking for a big shelf because this won't fit on my, I usually put my works on my desk as I start building, just to give me inspiration and stuff like that. But then now with this kit, it's not gonna fit, and you don't want moving it around because you just want it, it does have like maybe one post. The arms can move inside, up, fingers moving great. The head just goes side to side. You can actually put LEDs on it. Other than that, there's nothing more you can do or pose this kit. You can't pose it as much. The side gears go up and down. The wings usually have to stay on that position. And just giving you an insight of how I painted this kit is I went for a Tamiya white color. At first I didn't primer it, so I showed like a video showing what is the importance of the primer, because that's what I did. I have to repaint it back again just to have this look. It went out like a pinkish color without the primer, so I did it again. And for the blues, maybe orange, and the grays, I went for the Testors one coat lacquer. I really like those paint with like the metallic stuff. Yeah, and then overall this kit is really nice. This is my first char mono-eyed mobile suit build, and hopefully you can stay tuned because I will be unboxing my next two kits. I actually got two master grades again, which is going to be the Sandrock Master Grade Sandrock EW and the master grade new Verka Amuro Race mobile suit. So hopefully you stay tuned, and once again, this is Beginner's Edge.